It's important to leave space under the window so that you can glue the walls to the porch later on. Now cover the window piece that is going to be visible from the inside of the house with white paper. I am using the paper of an old calendar. Use see-through plastic from toy packaging to make fake window glass and glue to each of the windows. Now cover the edges of the window piece that goes on the outside of the house with the same paper and glue them together. Use scrapbook paper to make it look like a brick wall on the outside. To make the pool, you will need a piece of cardboard that fits into the pool area, covered in white paper and also in sticky back plastic. You can use a different color if you like. It's just very important that you cover every inch of the cardboard to make it waterproof. Now cut up 4 pieces of cardboard that are about 2 centimeters higher than the porch. Cover them in white paper, the top in scrapbook paper, and then all of it in sticky back plastic. Glue them down and make sure you use enough hot glue to seal the edges. As you can see, there are some gaps between the walls of the pool, so I'm filling them in with hot glue. And just to make sure that there are no leaks, I sealed all of the edges and corners with hot glue. To make the fountain, cover a piece of cardboard with white paper and glue more cardboard on it to make a little box. The pieces that go on the sides have to be cut at an angle so that the slime can slide off easily, and the white cardboard has to be longer and stick out in the front. Cut out cardboard strips that are about 2 centimeters high and cover them in scrapbook paper and then glue them flat on top of the fountain. Here you can still see that those strips are not as long as the white part of the fountain, but I changed that later on and extended them because I didn't want the slime to go down on the sides and then go places where I don't want it to go. The next step is very important. Instead of covering every piece of the fountain in sticky back plastic, I use Mod Podge, the outdoor version, which is waterproof, and I covered all of the fountain with it, even the sides and the back. I found this pretty fake grass in a crafting store called Idee. It's a German store and I don't think they have any stores outside of Germany, but you can find these fake plants everywhere, especially during springtime. I got these from the same store. You can just push them through the cardboard so that you can use them again. You don't have to glue them down.